How to deactivate your messenger temporarily. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of 1 2 Step. If you're trying to take a break from your messenger app, then in this video I'm exactly going to show you how you can deactivate your messenger account. Now the one thing that you need to know is that there is no separate option of deactivating messenger only. If you deactivate your messenger, your Facebook will also be deactivated. But however, there is a way that you can deactivate Facebook only without deactivating your messenger. But in the case of messenger, if you deactivate it, your Facebook will also be deactivated at the same time. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And then let's head over to messenger. Open up your messenger app and tap on the three lines on the top left. From here, tap on the settings icon on the top right. Now from this menu, you just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. And here you'll find an option of Meta Account Center. Now through this section on the last, you'll see an option of See More Account Center. Tap on that option and it's going to show you all of your connected accounts on Facebook. Now to deactivate your messenger, tap on the second option, which is Personal Details. From this section again, on the bottom, you'll see an option of Account Ownership and Control. Tap on this option and inside you'll see deactivation or deletion. Tap on it and then just choose the account that you're trying to deactivate, which says Facebook. Tap on this option and make sure you choose the deactivate account instead of delete. Tap on it and tap on continue. Tap on continue again, and then in the next step you need to type in the password of your Facebook and tap on continue. In the next step, you need to choose a reason of deactivating your Facebook account. So choose any reason that you want and tap on continue. Now lastly, in this section, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section of reactivating your account. Now if you want your account to be deactivated automatically, you can just tap on this arrow and choose the day that you want your account to be activated automatically. Or if you don't want to activate it automatically and you want to manually activate, just tap on Don't Reactivate Automatically, and then you need to manually reactivate your account whenever you need it. After that is done, last thing that you need to do is tap on continue and your Facebook will be successfully deactivated. So that was the exact process. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos just like this. Until then, keep watching.